Hi, welcome to DragonEye's kitchen. Today I will be making Mexican oil sauce, and if you want to know how I make it, well then you're in the correct zone. I will be using 4 packets, of Chile Piquin, and I will be using sesame seeds. In Spanish, it's known as ajonjolí. Okay. Normally, you can use like any soft flavored oil, but you can use avocado oil. That's what I will be using. I have used peanut oil before, but this time I will be using avocado oil because that's what I have at hand. I also have corn oil, but I prefer this one or the peanut oil. You will be also using creamy cashew butter, okay? And I will be using like approximately 6 garlic cloves to 8 garlic cloves, depending how big the size are, okay? Okay, cook the garlic until it has a caramelized color. Once the sesame seeds have a golden toasted color, then they are ready to put in the blender. I cooked the chili piquin peppers in low heat. They were ready to put in the blender when they got a slight toasted color. Add 2.5 tablespoons of cashew butter. We will add salt. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. We will add 2 teaspoons of seasoning. Okay, you want to blend it for approximately 3 minutes. If the oil sauce is too thick, you can always add olive oil or avocado oil.